A lot of people are aiming for the president position, but it is in our hands to choose who's the best to rule our nation.
Ilang taon ka na?
Si Lani po, 6, ako po, 13.
Anong pangarap nyo?
Seaman sana.
Ako po, artista.
Pero hindi ko na iniisip. Kanya-kanyang kahit po dito. Walang maayos sa trabaho. Walang pambili ng gamot.
Anak, itabi mo. Ako na. Sama-sama tayo. Hindi ko kayo pababayaan. Lalaban tayo. Batsak mo! Batsak!
Who is Mar Rojas? Is he a president material? Let's find out.
On the 13th of May 1957, Manuel Mar Araneta Rojas was born. Mar Rojas came from two well-known families, Araneta and Rojas, all of which have done great things of our country.
Grandson of the Venerable First President of the Third Republic, Manuel Rojas, son of the former Senator Jerry Ross to wife industrialist Judy Amado Araneta. He has two siblings, Maria Lourdes and Gerardo Dingoy Rojas, who was the inspiration of Mar getting into politics. Mar has his son, Paulo Rojas, to former beauty queen Maricar Galdariaga. He is now happily married to ABS-CBN's known anchor Corina Sanchez since October 27, 2009. They had a simple wedding in Santo Domingo Church in Quezon City.
What inspired Mar Rojas to enter politics was Dingoy, the line of his younger brother, on his deathbed. Why can I afford to buy medicine while they, the people, can't?
He studied primary and secondary in Ateneo de Manila University and tertiary in the Wharton School of Economics in University of Pennsylvania. He worked 7 years as an investment banker in New York and became an assistant vice president of the New York-based Allen & Company.
Highest number of votes as senator in the Philippines, he obtained vote of nearly 20 million Filipinos in the year of 2004.
Rojas then was proclaimed by the COMELEC as senator-elect on May 24, 2004, and officially assumed the office at noon of June 30, 2004.
Many people see his potentials in ruling the country. For the 2010 election, he decided to put together his work and capabilities and ran for the president. However, on September 21, 2009, he gave way to then Senator Benigno Aquino III to be a man of his word of Bayan Muna, Bago ang Sarili. He ran for vice president alongside with Noynoy Aquino.
Having a degree in economics makes you more knowledgeable about how to manage and implement laws that would help and improve our country.
Mar started serving the public as congressman representing the 1st District of Capiz in 1993 until 2000, in which he became majority leader. In the same year, he was appointed as Secretary of Trade and Industry. Senate Bill Number 101, Law on Patents, Trade Names, and Trademarks, to improve Republic Act Number 8293, known as the Intellectual Property Code of the Philippines. This is to lower the prices of medicines through increased competition among drug companies, remembering Dingoy's concern for the people.
It is important that the leader of our government values education.
Mar Rojas contributed the Ross Law Republic Act 7880, which gives fairness and equitable access to education. It ensures a fair distribution of the education capital budget among all the provinces.
Education is important because it helps us develop ourselves, know our strengths and weaknesses, and learn our lessons in life.
Santiago, Mar Rojas is a bit of a gadget aficionado who likes tinkering his laptop and cell phones among many other things. His favorite food chain is KFC. He eats leche flan with rice, wherein his wife and son find this odd.
Why should they vote for Mar Rojas?
Thank you. Maraming salamat. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Mar Rojas. Kilala po ninyo ako. Matagal na po ako nasa public. Wala pong sikretong itinatago. At ang track record ko naman po ay alam po ninyo. Walang mantsa, walang bahid. O katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, walang bisyo, wala pong ibang ginagawa kung hindi ang matuwid, ang matapat. Yan din po ang aking hangarin. Suportahan po ang Pangulo ko, si Senador Noynoy Aquino, para maihatid natin sa magandang kinabukasan yung katapusan ng korupsyon at simula ng kasaganaan sa ating bansa. Nandito na po tayo, iilang araw na lang po, magpursigi po tayo, bantayan po natin ang ating boto. Ito po ang pamamaraan para magkaroon ng pagbabago sa ating bansa. Magandang umaga po.
We need a leader who is good for the Filipinos, who knows how to discipline his people.
I am a Filipino.
I am a registered voter.
I am a student.
Choose the right president for our nation.